Humans are truly amazing. We can do so many things that other animals can't. But today we will show you 5 things you didn't know humans could do. Number 5, speak into thin air. Yes, you heard that right. Scientists have found that humans can speak into thin air, and it's not just any kind of speaking. It's actually a form of communication that we all do all the time. You may have even done it yourself without realizing it. This is called whispering. And it's when you speak so quietly that your voice cannot be heard by anyone else in the room. But what makes this so amazing is that even though no one else can hear your whispered words, they still reach the person you are speaking to. How is this possible? Well, it has to do with the way our brains process sound. When we speak, our mouths move, and that creates sound waves that travel through the air. These sound waves then hit our ears and our brains process them as speech. But when we whisper, our mouths don't move very much, so the sound waves are much weaker. If someone else is in the room with us, their ears may pick up the sound waves, but their brain won't be able to process them as speech. However, the person who is meant to receive the message will be close enough to hear the faint sound waves, and they will be able to understand what is being said. So next time you need to communicate something important to someone, try whispering. It just might work. No, 4, turn the color of our skin. The human body is an amazing thing. It can do so many things that other animals can't. One of these things is the ability to change the color of our skin. Now you may be thinking, how can this be possible? We all have different skin tones, so aren't we just born with the color of our skin and that's it? Well, believe it or not, the color of our skin is not set in stone. It can actually change over time. For example, if you spend a lot of time in the sun, your skin will start to tan. This is because your body is producing more melanin, which is the pigment that gives your skin its color. Melanin is produced by cells called melanocytes, which are located in the epidermis, the outermost layer of your skin. When exposed to sunlight, melanocytes become activated and start producing more melanin. The melanin then gets distributed among the cells in the epidermis, giving your skin a darker appearance. In addition to tanning, your skin can also become paler when you are sick or have an illness. This is because your body is not producing as much melanin. Pale skin can also be caused by certain medications or by being deficient in certain nutrients, such as iron. So the next time you look in the mirror, take a close look at your skin. You may be surprised at what you see. No, 3, make new neurons. It's a common misconception that once you've used up all your brain cells, that's it. There's no more neurons left to make. But the truth is, humans have the amazing ability to make new neurons. This is called neurogenesis. And it happens in a part of the brain called the hippocampus. The hippocampus is responsible for a lot of important functions, including memory and learning. Neurogenesis is important for both of these functions. When you learn something new neurons are created in the hippocampus. These neurons then connect with each other and with other neurons in the brain to form new neural pathways. These new pathways allow you to store memories and recall them later. So not only does neurogenesis allow us to learn and remember things, but it also allows us to forget things. As we get older, the number of new neurons created in the hippocampus decreases. This may be one reason why it becomes more difficult to learn new things as we age. Fortunately, there are things you can do to improve neurogenesis, such as exercise, eating a healthy diet, and getting enough sleep. So if you want to keep your mind sharp as you age, be sure to take care of your body. Now, to create our own dead skin. That's right. Humans have the ability to create their own dead skin cells. This may sound gross, but it's actually pretty amazing. Here's how it works. Every day, your body produces millions of new skin cells. These cells grow and divide until they reach the surface of your skin. At this point, they are dead. But here's where things get interesting. The dead skin cells don't just fall off your body. They actually stay there and form a layer on the surface of your skin called the stratum corneum. This layer is made up of dead skin cells that have been compacted together. It acts as a barrier to protect your body from the outside world. The stratum corneum is constantly being renewed as new skin cells are produced. So while you may think that the skin on your body is dead, it's actually constantly being replaced with new skin. Number 1, breathe underwater. Yes, you heard that right. Humans can breathe underwater. Well, at least some of them can. There are a few people who have the amazing ability to hold their breath underwater for extended periods of time. This is because they have special sacs in their lungs that allow them to store oxygen. These sacs are made of a thin membrane that allows oxygen to pass through. When these people breathe underwater, the oxygen from the water passes through the membranes into their bloodstreams. This allows them to stay underwater for up to 15 minutes at a time. So if you ever see someone swimming underwater, they may be a human. These are just a few of the amazing things that humans can do. What do you think? Were you surprised by any of these abilities? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.